Do you have any Ahmadi friend?
Yes, I have a lot of them.
Acha. So you came to know about Ahmadiyya through your friends?
Yes, last year, and now I'm also engaged to one of my friend's sisters.
Acha, mashallah. You're not yet married?
No, not yet, no.
Okay. Allah bless your marriage. Okay. So why did you accept Ahmadiyya?
I was introduced through my partner, and I relate to the positive philosophy.
So your wife is an Ahmadi?
Yes.
Acha.
And my background from Afghanistan. I joined Ahmadiyya about a year ago.
Acha. Why did you join Ahmadiyya?
I was looking for my Islam, and I found it in the Ahmadiyya community.
Acha. How were you introduced with Ahmadiyya?
I've heard about it through some friends and my current wife as well.
Acha. Okay, then next. You married now?
I am married, yes.
To a Muslim? She is born Ahmadi or you accepted Ahmadiyya later on?
She's born Ahmadiyya.
Acha, mashallah. How's your marriage life? How's your marriage life?
We have a young daughter, and if you could please pray for her and for us.
As I say, how is your marriage life?
Oh, it's going great. We've been married for just over a year.
So you are happy with this marriage? Your married life is good.
It's excellent.
Okay. Allah bless you.